Hello, we are here for lesson 2.5, adding whole numbers. Let's go ahead and review with this video.
All right, in this video, we're just going to look at a couple examples of adding whole numbers. So in part A here, we've got 61 plus 14. And what I like to do, when I add these, is I like to just write them vertically. And I've got everything lined up in the sense that I have all the ones in a column and all the tens in another column. And when we add these, if we have to carry a digit to the next column, we'll do so. But other than that, hopefully, relatively straightforward. So, if we add the stuff in the ones column, 1 plus 4 is 5. So I'll just drop that down. And then I just go to the next column. 6 plus 1 is 7. So it says, hey, 61 plus 14, that's going to equal 75. We'll do the same thing for our next example, 77 plus 18. Now here we have to be a little more careful. If we do 7 plus 8, well, 7 plus 8 is 15. So what we're going to do, 15 would be the ones digit. So the 15 is the ones digit. That's the digit we're going to write down. So I'm going to write the ones digit in the ones column. And then our 1 would be our tens digit. So that's what I'm going to carry to the next column. So that 1 is getting carried to the next column. So then I'm just going to add, again, everything in my column. So 1 plus 7 is 8, plus 1 is 9, and it says 77 plus 18. That's going to give us 95. All right, in this video, we're just going to look at a couple examples of adding whole numbers. So in part A here, we've got
All right, so that was a good review of what you learned in previous grades. Let's see. I'm going to exit this and present again. There we go. Here's the I do, right? If I'm doing this for you, we're going to write the problem vertically, and then we're going to start in the ones place and add across. So 8 plus 3 is 11. So I put the 1 from the 10 up here and the 1 from the 1 here. So there's my 11. Now I'm going to add 1 plus 8 is 9, plus 5, 9 plus 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So again, I put the 1 here and the 4 here. Now 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 4 is 7. And there's nothing to carry up here because it was not 17, it was only 7. And now 4 plus 2 is 6. And I can do 1, 2, 3, comma, and put my comma in at the end. All right, let's look at another one. How about this one? Let's do it together. Get out your whiteboard. And if you need more time, you can hit pause. If you're ready to go, here we go. 7 plus 6. 7 plus 6 is 13. 1 plus 3 is 4. Plus 2 is 6. And 7 plus 8 is 15. So I put the 1 up here. And 1 plus 6 is 7. Plus 3 is 10. You got it. And then we can go 1, 2, 3, comma, and our answer is 10,563. All right, how about this one? Let's do it together. All right, here we go on our whiteboards. Write down the number. If you need to pause while you write it down, that's okay. Here we go. 9 plus 6 is 15. 1 plus 3 is 4. Plus 5 is 9. Great. 4 plus 9. I sometimes think of these as 4 plus 10, and then I take away 1. So that would be 13. I took away 1 because it's not 10, it's 9. So that's 13. 1 plus 0 is 1, plus 2 is 3. And 4 plus 8 is 12. Good. So 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3. Oh, I don't need to put a comma here because there's not another number on the other side. How'd you do? All right, here's a you do. I want you to pause the video. I want you to write this vertically, solve it, and then hit play so you can see if you got the answer right. Go ahead, hit pause. Okay, so 7 plus 3 is 10. 1 plus 4 is 5. Plus 5 is 10. 1 plus 4 is 5. Plus 7 is 12. 1 plus 8 is 9. Plus 3 more is 12. 1, 2, 3, comma. Did you get it right? All right. Here's another you do. Go ahead, pause the video, write this vertically solve, and when you're done, come back and see if you got it right. Now this one's tricky. You need to make sure you line it up. So this 4 is actually in the thousands place. So see how I lined up the 7,000 with the 4,000? And this 1 is kind of hanging out there. Now I like to leave the commas off when I'm doing the math work and then add them back in at the end. Just one less thing for me to worry about. You can do that if you'd like. 6 plus 8 is 14. 1 plus 3 is 4. Plus 2 is 6. 5 plus 0 is 5. 7 plus 4 is 11. And now 1 plus 1 is 2. Did you get the right answer? 1, 2, 3, comma. You're doing a great job. You're doing a great job. Okay, let's take out our math book. It's page 88. Page 88. We're going to add, estimate to check your work. That just means look at your answer and does it make sense that that could be the answer? I'll show you when we're done here. Okay, so if you need the time to go get your math book, hit pause, come back to me when you're ready. Page 88. Here we go, friends. So here I have 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 0 is 6. 9 plus 2 is 11. I'm going to squeeze that in there. 1 plus 2 is 3. Plus 4 is 7. 1, 2, 3, comma. And I guess I could put the dollar sign here. Some teachers get really particular about that. I don't. Okay, let's look at number 2. And what estimate to check means, does your answer make sense? Does it make sense that 2,000 plus almost 3,000 plus 4,205 would be close to 7,166? Yeah, that seems reasonable. Now, if I got an answer like 27,347, I should go, wait a minute, I messed up there. So that's what they mean by estimate to check your work, okay? All right, let's look at number 2. 0 plus 5 is 5. 8 plus 2 is 10. Trying to write small. 1 plus 2 is, or 1 plus 3 is 4. 5, 6. 9 plus 0 is 9. And 2 plus 1 is 3. 1, 2, 3, comma. So let's see, does 29,000 plus 10,000-ish equal 39,000? Yeah, that seems reasonable, right? I estimated to check my work. All right, friends, that's it for today. Remember, go on to Schoology, check for your workbook page assignment. If you're in the Ready group, do a couple problems or whatever it says in Schoology, then come back and see me on the live video. If you are in the Go group, make sure you do the challenge assignment that's in the Go group. And don't forget, everyone needs to do their exit ticket. And I'll see you back in class after your break. See you soon.